Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is factory data reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone and factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.